You scan a tiny black and white square, and suddenly your phone opens a website, pays money, joins Wi-Fi, or opens a restaurant menu instantly. But how does this weird pixel box actually work? At first glance, QR codes look random, like somebody challenged a printer to create modern art. But every tiny square inside it stores data. QR literally stands for quick response. And unlike old barcodes that only stored information horizontally, QR codes store data both horizontally and vertically, which means they can hold way more information. Websites, text, payments, contacts, passwords, all packed inside that tiny square. Now look closely at a QR code. You'll notice 3 big squares in the corners. Those are position markers. They help your phone understand where the QR code starts, its angle, and how it's rotated. Because humans scan QR codes in the worst ways possible. Upside down, too close, shaking like they're defusing a bomb. Your camera detects those corner markers first, then maps the entire grid. After that, the phone reads the smaller black and white blocks. Each tiny block represents binary data. Basically, black means one thing, white means another. Just like computers turning billions of tiny on-off switches into apps, videos, and games. And here's the genius part. QR codes have error correction, meaning even if part of the QR code is damaged, it can still work. That's why cracked QR codes on posters sometimes scan perfectly fine. The system can rebuild missing information mathematically, which honestly makes QR codes smarter than some group project members. Now you might think QR codes are modern technologies, but they were invented in 1994 by Masahiro Hara at DensoWave. Originally, they were created to track car parts in factories. Nobody expected them to become global. Then smartphones arrived, and suddenly QR codes were everywhere. Payments, restaurants, WhatsApp web, event tickets, Wi-Fi sharing. Especially after the pandemic, QR codes basically evolved into digital survival squares. And the funniest part, your phone decodes all of this in milliseconds. You just point your camera, and decades of engineering quietly scream, "Here's the link,